Okay. Good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. Gusto ko magpasalamat sa Camilo San for warmly welcoming me to their family. Salamat po.
I think it's a match made in heaven. Let's give that a big round of applause. That is a match made in heaven. So, of course, Sarah, I've had the pleasure of seeing you in a lot of events, and it's not my first time to hear you sing. Pero till now talaga, when it comes to your voice, power.
Yun. Ito bang pagkanta mo, do you think, you were really born to sing?
Ako kasi bata pa lang ako, talaga yun na yung goal ko eh. Paglaki ko, pagtanda ko, gusto kong maging kilalang singer. To be able to perform in front of a huge crowd, a big crowd, at makapagbigay ng kasiyahan sa kanila. And I'm very blessed kasi God made the dream come true. Eventually, I've made a career out of singing. At talaga naman pong napaka-precious ng boses ko po. Kasi hindi lang dahil ginagamit ko po siya sa trabaho ko because I realized the power of my voice, no? Hindi lang para sa pagkanta, kundi makapagbigay ng inspirasyon sa ibang mga tao. So, medyo mahirap-hirap din yung naging journey ko in the business. And there was a point in my life na nawalan din ako ng boses kasi dahil parang pagod, sobrang pagod. I was doing everything at the same time, acting, nag-host din noon, at ano pa ba?
Concerts.
Concerts.
Diba? For our life, alam naman natin, we jump from one thing to another, minsan walang tulog.
Yes,
Super
exactly. Yun po talagang sobrang nakakawala ng boses, walang tulog, tapos salita ng salita. Pero yun, talagang nagpursige lang. I continued persevering, tapos syempre i-push ko pa yung passion ko. So eventually, yun nga po, nasabi ko kanina, nag-venture din ako sa acting, may pa-konting-konting dancing. May dancing!
Hindi na pa konti-konti, nakikita namin
all out.
Oo,
At ngayon po nag-coach na rin ako sa The Voice. So, talagang nagpapasalamat tayo na binigyan tayo ng gift of voice ni Lord. Yan.
So kung nag-persevere ka, ibig sabihin, may chance din ako.
Yes.
Kung
Oo
mag-persevere
naman.
ako.
Go-coach ka ni Sarah.
Ikaw coach mo ako.
Magaling kang host Sam, di ba?
Singing na lang ang kulang. No? Tsaka yung dancing.
Pwede yan ihalo.
Okay, very good, very good. Gawin natin yan.
Here's the thing though, when it comes to Sarah, it's not just the singing na you're inspiring people, because when you actually sing and people listen to you, it's also the power of words. Diba? Parang you're not afraid to speak up. Kumbaga.
Yes, and that's exactly yung campaign po ng Camilo sa ngayon. Yung kanilang advocacy about speaking out, napaka-importante po yan.
From simple things, diba? Not just, like every day, makikita ko, let's say, security guards.
Sila kuya, nakita
Diba?
natin kanina.
Simpleng good morning.
Simpleng good morning po.
Oo, diba?
Mapapangiti na.
Personal relationships, it's hearing each other's voice, greeting, looking at each other in the eye. Ang sarap marinig ng boses mo na, in-acknowledge ako. Diba? That acknowledgement of people. Because just like Camilo San, they don't want to be acknowledged as just a sore throat solution spray. Kailangan may relevance.
May relevance sa buhay ng mga tao.
Lalo na ngayon, lahat ng tao, text na ng text, Viber na Viber. Yung communication na wala minsan, diba?
Oo.
Yung pagiging social talaga natin as human
Sincerity
beings.
din. No?
Right. Ano ba pa rin if you talk to people?
Katulad po ng mga sinabi niyo, yung mga little things lang, pero itong mga little things na to can have a great impact on people. Iba yung dating sa kanila. Talagang babaulin, uy, binati ako na, no? Ganda na ng araw ko. Yung mga gano'n.
Between
Diba?
family members, iti-text mo lang
Yes.
ba mami, daddy mo? Ang sarap tawagan just to say, mami, kamusta ka?
Exactly. Iba pa
Mas
rin,
sincere po, no?
Oo.
iba pa rin ang power of voice.
Yes.
Diba? At the end of
That's
the
why
day.
we need that.
So remember to speak up with Camilo San, and once again, our hashtag, don't forget, is spray with Camilo San with a double L.
But wait, you know how, again, interpersonal relationships, of course, Sarah, making sure this advocacy is applied in her life. Ito, titignan natin yung galing ni Sarah, maka-recognize ng
Maka-detect.
voice. Oo.
Okay.